What's up, guys? We have finally made it to Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun. There is many Hyatt Zivas. So when you book in this resort, right, make sure it says Riviera, because there's another Hyatt Ziva which is more expensive than this one. That one is a little bit more exclusive. This one is a little bit, the next level down from that one. Let's get on with the room tour. Double sink right here. You have a separate toilet. You got a separate toilet. You see, when you look at the renovations right here, it's just like, it's not really nice renovations, but for this price, look at this. Look at that. Molding on the corners, and there's also a jacuzzi available. Wow, whoever cleaned this room left the hair right here. And there's some dusty things around the...
This is for swimming. Daddy, this is for swimming.
There is a separate shower room. All right. Look at this shower head right here. And you got a hair dryer, you got a scale, you got a big closet right here. What's that? Can you open this? No. This is supposed to be a food box right here, but we can't open it. So I think when they bring in the room service, they're gonna have to bring it into your room. There's an iron board right here, and then we got a big closet. Elsa, open the drawer for Daddy. Okay.
Nothing in there.
Yes, nothing in there. Okay. So this room is $350 a night. And look at the space you get. You get 2 queen-size beds.
No, I said 2 beds.
Yes, 2 queen-size beds.
It's more comfy.
Yeah, it's pretty comfy. Comfy enough. But I tell you guys, this room is such a spacious room. Wow. It just feels very nice to have a large space. You got a couch, and let's see here, you got a nice coffee table. You got a nice maybe dining table, coffee table right here also. I forgot about the mini bar. You guys know what it is. The espresso machine, ice bucket. Then you got the mini bar refrigerator. In here, you got some beer, water, soda. Oh, you found the snacks. Good job. We got 3 snacks right here. Do we have any more here?
Nothing.
Nothing here. Okay. And then you have a whole large counter to put all these luggage in there. That's great. So nothing stays on the floor. It's perfect. This room is called the swim up suite. This one is called pool access room. You see, guys? Have you ever seen a door security lock like this? Look at this. The screw looks like it's about to pop right off.
Daddy, you forgot a switch.
But you know, I'm not mad. For the price you're paying here, it's perfect. Come here, I'll show you.
There's a pool.
You can even see the screw right through over there. It's so funny.
Look, I like this one.
Yes. See? So this is the reason why you want to stay at this resort, because you have this. We are quite lucky today. The weather is only 80 degrees. It's not like 90 degrees. And the weather is just, when the breeze comes in, it's just perfect. Sun's coming down. Oh my God, 6 o'clock. We spent the whole day in JFK, flying all the way here. We ate nothing. We only ate like a croissant in the morning. So let me guys show you the view here.
Daddy, you forgot
From my first impressions, I would say, this room's quite nice. It's dated, but it's definitely a nice room, very spacious. Let's go and get something to eat. See you guys later.
Let's go eat.
Elsa, you like the room?
Yes.
Yes, you like the room? What do you like about the room? Can you talk? Here, Daddy, give you the microphone. You can talk.
Only daddy, only daddy.
Only Daddy talk? You don't want to talk? That's it, guys, for Ziva Riviera room tour. The rest of the video is just vlogs from the start of the trip. For the next video, part 2, I will be showing all the foods and restaurants that are in Ziva Riviera. So tell me how you feel about being at the airport.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to get there. But first, international flight. And I just can't wait.
Catch you guys later.
Me and Matthew. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Over here, look over here.
Thank you.
Hey, I landed in Mexico.
So tell me what you think is going on next now. What's going on next?
Well, next is to get out of the airport
Uh-huh.
and get something to eat because I'm kind of hungry. That was a 4-hour trip.
You don't want to wait until you get to the resort?
Yeah, I still can wait.
So tell me what you see around here on your left side and your right side. What's this?
I see Enterprise, a rural card, Hirsch. This is where you rent the cars, right here, this sector.
Yes, that's right.
You know, I don't know what's this, dollars? It's like dollars like in New York.
I guess it's very popular to rent your own car here in Mexico. You just drive around.
Yeah.
You come outside to the front right here. We're gonna look for our transport.
Oh, okay.
All right, now we're outside. Oh, actually today's not that hot. How's the weather today? Right now?
Well, I don't feel like it's tight.
90?
I think so.
It's not 90 degrees right now. Come on. This is not 90 degrees.
What is it, 80?
Yeah, this is like a good 80.
Well, I gotta take some pictures. I gotta, some pictures to my brother, the time I was here.
Oh, you gotta take a lot of pictures. Don't worry about that.
I still got time.
So can you tell me what we're doing right now?
We're walking to get part of your van to the hotel,
To the resort.
the resort. So,
All right, so right now we're walking straight out and we're looking for our transport guy. He should be standing around with our name somewhere over there.
okay.
All right, so we finally found the Amstar. It's right here. You gotta walk all the way down.
Walking.
There, you see right there. Hyatt Ziva for the Amstar Riviera. All right, so we found the Amstar transport, and hopefully they got a big van for us. They should know exactly how many people we got from the reservation.
I see the fly.
You see the fly?
It's on the window.
Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh.
They want to make the money.
Nice and warm.
Selfie, right? Oh. So where are we now?
The pool.
No, we are in the van.
Where?
Yeah. And where are we going?
To swimming.
Yes, we're going to the resort right now. It's going to take about 20 minutes to get to the resort.
Yeah.
Okay? Oh, our driver is here. He's okay. All right. Let's go. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Finishing your vacation is very important. Pues amigos, here is. You have a nice vacation. Remember, no diet, and don't forget your vacation in Cancun.
See. Checking into our reservation right now. Hopefully, everything goes smooth.
Yeah, I hope so because I still don't know where's my room.
So empty today.
Yeah, I like it.
Wow, right now it's 6:30 and we're on our way to have some dinner. I think we're gonna try out the steakhouse today. So the steakhouse right here is outside in the middle of the all the pools right there. Should be around there. I think that one. That's the steakhouse over there. This is the end of video part 1. For video part 2, I'm going to be showing all the foods and restaurants around the resort. If you are interested in that, feel free to subscribe to Boa Story. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next episode. Have a nice day.
Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before.